Dorian thought. Dorian was the one messing up her mind. Why do you think that Vanita calls her puppet master? She is a tormentor. She has been instigating BBNAIJA. Dorian, a very dirty and stinking girl. I can say this in front of her parents. They failed as parents.
Who said it? Who said it? It's a guy. That person is always going to remain behind my back because she never said it to my face. And you're a bitch. You never said it to my face.
Why do you think Vanita calls her a puppet master?
Yes, because you couldn't say it to my face.
Why do you think Vanita calls her?
So you couldn't say it to my face. Whoever said it.
Yes. What you say?
I was liking that fat idiot Kid Wyatt before, but I don't like him anymore. I want to go kiss and kiss again. Girl, just make sure you don't lose your man because these boys here are not serious. I can kiss whoever I want to kiss. It's just a kiss. Your man is understanding. Mine is not. Today, AK was talking to me that we can play a game together. We can be together. I said, bro, you cannot handle me. If we are together, you are going to be kneeling down, sucking my toes every day. So you cannot handle me. My mom will be so embarrassed watching this.